Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have a special unboxing of the two Dream Tomicas for 2020, Toyota Supra from the first Fast and Furious movie, and equally the new Toyota Supra from the upcoming Fast and Furious 9 movie. And we'll equally compare this one to another version of Tomica Premium mainline Toyota Supra. Let's start this off with the first version of the Supra. They nailed this one. Been a long time waiting for this. This remade version of the Supra of the first Fast and Furious movie looks absolutely stunning. Besides the plastic rear wing, they nailed the details almost to a T. They made it the T-top. The interior is fully detailed, multicolor at that. They got the black seats, the yellow edging on the inside, plastic headlights, a perfect Toyota badging in the front. Again, the wheels, if there was another choice, but it is a Dream Tomica, so can't complain. The tampons are almost perfect, spot on, super clear. The back, I would have hoped that they would have done plastic taillights to match the plastic headlights, but can't get everything we want. There's the Supra branding right there on the back, brake lights, little muffler in the corner. It just works for the price point. Super great. Now let's open from the new upcoming movie, which is now scheduled to hopefully be released in 2021. We'll see if that date still stands. We haven't seen this car yet in the movie, so it's very hard to compare to what it would really look like. However, from the looks of it, again, if you did see my previous video of the other initial Tomica Supras that came out in 2018, I wasn't too fond of the bodywork on this car. The paint job on this is not so bad. They added a lot of tampons, at least there's that, compared to the mainline versions of Tomica's basic range for this Supra. You have the Supra badging on the back, again with the wheels. You have a little bit of door details. You got a nice handle over there in the casting, which not too many castings have nowadays. Again, painted headlights, painted taillights, a super detailed Toyota logo though. Again, I do wish that Tomica would have done a better job with their actual main market JDM models for this. Suspension test. Both pass with flying colors. We've already seen the Supra earlier. This was released last year, 2019. Let's compare this with this Supra. That wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Drop a comment down below, let us know which one was your favorite, past or future. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting. And as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you guys in the next one.